Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and filing immediately. Check degree equivalency and residency rules. Once done, gather your ID, official transcripts, passport-style photo, and $85 payment method. Next, create your LAT 2025 applicant account and choose a test center code. Make sure to note the registration deadline and time windows. You should upload documents as PDFs or JPEG under specified sizes, so they clear automated checks. If a mismatch appears, correct it before submission to avoid delays. You now fill the application carefully, typing names exactly as on your ID and selecting your preferred exam date and accommodations if needed. After that, scan each transcript to PDF, label files last first. PDF and upload in the prescribed order so reviewers can match records fast. Then complete payment using card or e-check and save the confirmation number. You'll need it for communications. Once submitted, review the on-screen summary and print or screenshot the receipt for your records in case any verification is requested. You finish by verifying your email confirmation and downloading the admission ticket within 72 hours of payment. Make sure the name, date, and center match your plans. If errors exist, contact support immediately with your confirmation number and detailed correction requests, because late fixes are harder to process. On test day, bring your printed ticket, the same valid ID you uploaded, and backup documents. If you encounter login or upload failures, clear cache. Try a different browser, or use the prescribed support portal to escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.